Hello and welcome to my basement with the questionably terrible light. Today I am going through my Christmas decorations to see what I actually want to keep. I thought, oh yeah, maybe I'll film this upstairs. It'll be all picturesque and blah, blah, blah. I don't want to carry all the stuff upstairs. It's one of those days. But maybe I could like make this a little bit moodier. How about that? Does that make it cooler? I don't know. Let's start going through my Christmas decorations. A bunch of these I haven't seen in a while because when my parents sold our family house, we put all of our stuff into storage and I have been moving around a ton since then. I've been in 2 or 3 different places. Anyway, finally settled. Now it's time to go through all this stuff and see what I actually want to keep and use and what other stuff I'm either gonna give back to my parents or get rid of. This, I guess, is a declutter of sorts. Let's get on it. I don't even know what this, just an empty box. You never know. Boxes are really great. Ooh, this is a weird little Santa man. Oh, another very important box filled with corroded batteries. Glad I kept that. Empty box. Aww. My Baba made this when she was living in an old folks home, so this is definitely a keep. Oh, did I hear a cat? So this is most certainly a keep. Chloe would like to say hello. Oh, my little bubby. She's a Christmas cat. All right, you're cute. This is also a cute little stocking. I think that's a keeper. This light is just so harsh. Oh, there's something to be said about natural lighting. Here are some apples. My sister, oh, and hearts too. My sister was talking about these being some sort of significance of Adam and Eve. I don't know. I can't remember what she said, but it was really interesting. Egg cartons are good for packing Christmas decorations. Not that I eat eggs anymore, but back in the day when we did, ooh, shoot, magical little candy canes. These amazing Santa bulbs that my Baba put on a little clip so you could still use them. And then we got this creepy little Santa too. So he's a definite keeper. Okay, so far, all keeps. That's okay. It's not all gonna be stuff to get rid of. Ooh, I bought this secondhand at Goodwill. It lights up. It's a Royal Light illuminated Christmas angel. I paid $4.99 for it, but it was $1.70 at Woodward's. Ooh, and guaranteed by Good Housekeeping. Pretty magical. You're probably gonna see a theme with my holiday decor is that it's mostly vintage. Got some old bells. What do we got here? Oh, smells good. Oh, yeah. Okay, so these are all large Christmas bulbs. I will be keeping those as well. What can I say? Oh, got more Santa bells. We used to hang these on door handles. They sound really beautiful though. One year my dad put them in the snow and said the reindeers left them behind. Oh, that's a good one too. Lights, you can't really go wrong with those. They're just the clear ones. Oh, these are really pretty. So they're not actually vintage. They are reproduction ones. I put them on some really nice like plaid ribbons and whatnot. And you can hang them on the tree like this, but at the time we had like chandelier-ish looking light fixtures at our house. So I would do like different bulb stories on the chandeliers, and I believe this was one of them in our kitchen. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these. They're really pretty. It's really nice hanging them on ribbon. I'm pretty sure I just got this ribbon from the dollar store because then they're just like so much easier to hang up the next year. They're good to go. And you don't have to have those unattractive metal hooks, you know, which I do use as well. They're okay. Ah, yes. So also boxes for golf balls. Great places to store your ornaments as well. So these, since I have clear lights for the Christmas tree These go over top the lights. They're like little fancy light topper things from the 60s and whatnot. These are all from my Baba. 100% keeping those. Am I keeping everything? Probably. Oh, I think these are some more. Oh yeah. Those are so, I don't care what anyone says, they're so magical. Oh shoot. Okay, I made this nutcracker, so that's definitely a keep. It's a toilet paper roll, but doesn't matter. And then these, I used to obsessively play with these when I was a kid. I would be so excited every year to like whip these out, and they were like my buds. Oh, and Paddington. I wasn't alive yet, but Paddington's like one of my absolute favorite. Chloe's just wandering around the back. I love Paddington Bear, especially the stop motion animation series. Oh, I don't think my sister's gonna want me to show her, but you can see me. What a little gremlin I am. Oh shoot, these are a classic. Just like lots of random Santa decor. Come on, there we go. These are from 1979. They're made in Japan. Oh, I think this is Woodstock. Charlie Brown. My favorite. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, my mom made this in elementary school. I think it was, oh my God, like a manger scene. It's so terrible, but you know, it's a family heirloom now, so I gotta keep that, right? Everyone's like, throw it out. I feel like this is Mary. Oh, I think everything's keeping there too. Is there anything to get rid of? Oh shoot. More stuff we made. These are cute. Clothespin reindeer. Oh, this was a magical treat too. I think I might have bought this from Find the other year. And I thought it was quite the find personally. It's a giant mushroom bulb. Ooh, and this was another one that I was really stoked to find. It's like a, kind of reminds me of one of those, it's an acorn or a pine cone, colored like one of those, what is it called? Like a rocket? And then there's just some plain bulbs in here. So again, nothing's going. Oh well, trying my best here. I did empty out that whole thing though, so at least there's that. But it doesn't matter if everything that came out of it is not getting rid of. Okay, so this is my miniature little tree. Very 60s. You probably saw from my vlogmas intro, if you watched that, that I have a ceramic tree that my Baba made. Oh, these are little terrifying babies. And their little butts in the back. Anyway, they're singing. They're a little band. I feel like my mom might want those back. I'm gonna put those off to the side for her. When I was living in England, I bought a bunch of this Kath Kidson London material, and I made, I think it's actually like drapery material. Anyway, I made a bunch of stockings out of it. I think I need to make Jessie a little stocking too. Here's a cool book I made about a pioneer Christmas. Oh, here's a beautiful tree skirt. This thing is antique. Oh my God, how magical is this thing? I just want to wear it as a cape. Pretty sure it could. Now we're in the spirit. Okay, and below that are some family favorites. Charlie Brown Christmas, Caddy and the Big Snow. I love the illustrations from this book. It's one of my favorite. Simpsons Christmas book and a Peanuts Christmas. I guess I'm just getting rid of the babies to my mom. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, wow. This is a big ass stocking. Here are all my Barbie Christmas decorations. I think I might actually just do a whole separate video on them because there is just so many. My mom started this for me, but I became a Barbie Hallmark fiend, especially when they started re-releasing or not re-releasing, but releasing antique dolls. This was a wild ride. This is so unproductive. Oh, look, another egg carton. Oh, except they're like the little walnut, yeah, little walnut babies. Anywho, and then I have an upright base. I love these glass ornaments. This is from Winners. And then I have a matrushka. The first Christmas stockings I made my family, which weren't that great, to be honest. Ooh, something is in here. Oh, it's a little A&W pear. Oh, shoot. That's funny. I don't know where this came from, but Keep, obviously. This is a Barbie tree topper. Oh, and then we have the Christmas story. Fragile, this must be Italian. This. Now this is a real classic. This is also from 1995. This was a stocking holder. I put it on our fireplace mantle to hold my stocking. Don't have a fireplace anymore though, but I will still be keeping her. Also, when I was a kid, we would have like a bunch of random stuffed animals under the tree. I don't know if this was just like a my family kind of thing. My sister still does it. This was one of them, and it waddles along. And then we have this little guy too. And this one used to scare the shit out of me as a kid because it's lined up. So it like, okay, ready? Just love how terrifying it looks, you know? Like it has this like little beret on. Like, what is this about? Acrobat Pup. I feel like this was from when my mom was a child. Also, we have, my sister got me this, but it is flame-proof Jiffy icicles. And quite frankly, I want to be as happy as she is right now. I thought I was gonna want to get rid of more shit, but so far everything's been pretty solid. Oh, these are some classic oldies too. Yeah, something like an antique bulb, you know? It's just perfect Christmas to me. Oh, it's so heavy. Okay, what do we got here? There's my mom's stocking. And my dad's, and an antique tree holder. Oh, and I love these. This is like an old Corvette looking car, like a 1950s Corvette. Glass ornaments, which I love so much. When I was a teenager, I mean even when I was a kid, my parents let me basically just do all of the Christmas decorating myself. I don't know if no one else wanted to do it or what the deal was with it, but it just kind of became my job. And as I got more and more Barbie ornaments, I think in high school the tree ended up just becoming a full-on Barbie tree one year. I did have a small tree of my own in my bedroom too, because I was one of those kids. Yeah, I have no explanation for it besides from the fact that I find great joy in Christmas decorations. Yeah, I don't need those anymore. More antique bulbs and even more antique bulbs. Oh my gosh, this was my sister and I's favorite bulb. And we had two of them. Come on. Oh, there we go. See, there's a little snowman on it. We had two of them and Katie was like, no, Sandy, you can't put it on the tree. You're gonna break it. Like, you have to do it so carefully. And she like put the other one on the tree and like looked at me and was like, that's how you do it. A second later, slips off the tree, smashes, and she was just like dumbfounded. Maybe that's why she stopped decorating. She was too traumatized by breaking our favorite bulb. More icicles, but these are silver, not gold. Oh, this is gonna be good. Oh gosh, Heritage Mall. That was knocked down years ago. But here's my sister and my dad and I. I was in elementary school. I think Katie was in junior high at that point. Got more antique bulbs. You know, just classics. So these are all cookie boxes. And again, such good containers for bulbs that you don't have boxes for. More cookie containers. It's broken on the inside. Well, so much for getting rid of stuff. So far I'm like, keep. Oh, that's a keep. Definitely gotta keep that. These are some pretty spectacular bulbs as well. I should probably find a better home for them. That's cool. I don't know, I just love the thrill of the hunt of old things. It's just kind of how I operate, I guess. And that's okay, everyone does their own thing. And that's why Christmas is such a special time. I'm not religious, and I think the consumerism is kind of bullshit, but I don't know, spending time with your family and like decorating and doing those kinds of things is really nice. Not that I'm going to be spending time with my family this year. Or do I ever really? Because my parents always go away to Arizona in the winter. This is actually, ironically, one of the first years they've been back, and it's not like we can hang out because like COVID, so we're being safe, which is fine. I'd rather them be alive than have Christmas with them. All right, last box, I guess. Ooh, a biblical scene here. Again, I am not religious. I just really like tacky things. These are some of my other favorite. This one especially. Oh, love this bulb. It's pink and red, gorgeous. This one too, so cute. And this one as well. How precious are you? They're slowly starting to get discolored though, because obviously they're so antique. And then this goes around a candle. These are just some more boring bulbs. You know, you gotta have some of the plain ones too. There's some more, all just glass bulbs. More pink bulbs. Oh, these are cute. Also reproduction though. Little milkshakes, an old radio, a jukebox. I think I'm missing some Christmas decorations. I know, which is shocking. Ooh, my mom got me these. So they're all the peanuts. They all play music together. Oh, here's another antique manger situation. I do not know where I got this one from. Well, dang. What's in here? Oh, more bulbs. These ones are really pretty too, though. I'm really into them. Like, this whole color story just really does it for me. I have a feeling I just haven't found all of my decor yet. Because, like, Jesse and I got decorations together last year too, and I don't know where those are. All right, well, I guess this was my holiday decor going through video. Although I kind of feel like it's incomplete. That's just how the cookie crumbles, I guess. I guess I'm gonna call that a wrap because I made a huge mess, and I don't know what else to say aside from stuff is missing. Oh, that's what happens when you move so many times and you put things away and then you just don't know where they are. So thanks for joining me. Hopefully the next time you see all this crap, I will be putting it up somewhere, and maybe I'll take you along on that journey. All right, thanks for joining me. I would just like the record to show that I did put on eyebrows today. Nothing else though. And it was a lot of work just to do that. All right, thanks for joining me. Happy Vlogmas. Toodles.